chasing empty promises, running farther every day, building dreams on sinking sand, watching hope just fade away. Every mirror told a story of the man I couldn't save. Every road I walked alone just became another grave. Then your mercy broke the silence like the sunrise through the rain. You didn't see a lost cause, you called me by my name. When I thought the battle had already been lost, you stepped into my darkness and carried my cross. You pulled me from the ashes, you called me from the grave. You broke the chains around me that I never could escape. Now every breath is freedom, every heartbeat speaks your name. The old is past forever, I will never be the same. Your grace rewrote my story, your love removed my shame. I once was lost, now I'm made new. The weight I used to carry doesn't own this heart anymore. Every scar that once defined me has become proof of the Lord. You took my deepest failures, turned them into songs of praise. Now my past no longer leads me, your light has changed my way. I don't fear tomorrow because you're already there. Every step is filled with purpose, every breath becomes a prayer. Death couldn't hold the life you gave, hope keeps calling me by name. You pulled me from the ashes, you called me from the grave. You broke the chains around me that I never could escape. Now every breath is freedom, every heartbeat speaks your name. The old is past forever, I will never be the same. Your grace rewrote my story, your love removed my shame. I once was lost, now I'm made new. You never stopped believing when I had given up. You never stopped pursuing when I chose to run. Your love was always waiting, your mercy never moved. You didn't simply save me, you made me brand new. Brand new. Now the mountains shake, now the darkness forever.